Welcome back. Today, we have something exciting in store for you. We'll look at the 6 most useful self-defense gadgets you absolutely need to own to stay safe. Let's dive right in. But before we start, be sure to smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get a notification when we update videos like this one. 6. Quartermaster QTR-12. The QTR-12 is a tactical folding knife with a strong and durable design. It frequently has a tanto-style blade, which is renowned for its strength and penetrating capability. Typically, the QTR-12's blade is made with high-quality materials. It is appropriate for a variety of cutting tasks due to its exceptional edge holding and corrosion resistance. This knife is equipped with a flipper deployment mechanism. The knife may be rapidly and easily deployed with a flick of the wrist by using the flipper tab on the blade. This allows for a safe hold and better control during cutting tasks. Often, the QTR-12 comes with a pocket clip for convenient and secure carry in a pocket or on a belt. 5. Folding combat axe. The folding design allows the axe to be folded into a more dense shape, which makes it easier to carry and store compared to a traditional fixed blade axe. A foldable combat axe can be used as an emergency weapon for self-defense. Its extremely sharp blade can deliver powerful strikes and be utilized for blocking and parrying because of the axe head's weight and strength. Stainless steel or high-carbon steel are commonly used in the construction of folding combat axes. The legality of carrying a folding fighting axe or any other self-defense item can differ depending on the jurisdiction. 4. Silver leaf knife pendant. A silver leaf knife pendant is an ornamental piece that combines the beautiful look of a leaf design with the functionality of a small concealed knife. The pendant is made of silver or another metal. The item gains a fashionable, organic feel from the leaf pattern. The leaf pendant typically has a tiny, hidden knife blade built into its design. The knife blade is typically compact and discreet, allowing it to be hidden within the pendant. The pendant's design makes it portable. It can be worn around your neck as a stylish jewelry, making it simple to get when you need it. 3. Strike pen. A strike pen, often referred to as a tactical pen, is a multi-purpose tool that looks like a typical pen. Stainless steel or aircraft-grade aluminum are frequently used in the construction of strike pens. Strike pens provide the same writing capabilities as ordinary pens. The capacity to utilize a strike pen as a self-defense instrument is one of its most important features. Typically, a strong, pointed substance, such hardened steel or tungsten carbide, is used for the pen's striking end. It can be used to deliver strikes to an attacker's weak body parts, improving the probability of self-defense or escape. Many strike pens have a reinforced tip specifically designed for breaking glass in situations of emergency. 2. TCP pepperball launcher. The TCP pepperball launcher works by using compressed gas, typically carbon dioxide, CO2, to move the pepper balls. Customized pepper balls that contain a powdered irritant made from chili peppers are used by the TCP pepperball launcher. It causes temporary respiratory difficulty, eye irritation, and disorientation when the pepper ball impacts the target and bursts, dispersing the irritating powder. Compared to other pepper spray devices, the TCP pepperball launcher is made to offer a longer range. You can confront possible attackers from a safer distance because it can normally properly fire projectiles up to a range of around 30 feet. A semi-automatic firing mechanism is frequently found in TCP pepperball launchers, enabling rapid-fire functionality. This can be helpful if you need to stop several attackers or have a preventive impact. 1. Mad Bite gloves. A paracord bracelet knife is made to look like a typical paracord bracelet, which is made of a woven paracord length that may be unraveled for a variety of emergency needs. However, the bracelet also features a tiny knife blade concealed inside the buckle or clasp. Typically, the hidden knife blade is short, measuring between 1 and 3 inches. It is frequently constructed from stainless steel or another strong material. Depending on the particular design, the blade may be fixed or folding. When worn on the wrist, the paracord bracelet knife allows quick access to the blade when needed. The compact and lightweight design ensures portability, making it a convenient tool to have on outdoor adventures or in survival situations. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive new updates. Stay tuned.